When COVID hit this planet, thousands and even millions of businesses have suffered big time due to this pandemic. Businesses such as restaurants, bars, tourism have all suffered due to COVID limitations. However, businesses that did well regardless of COVID were Amazon, Netflix, Shopify, and many more. And if you haven't noticed, these companies revolve around the digital aspect of this world. The reason being is that since everyone is restrained from traveling places, they are forced to remain at home and make use of what is given, which in this case is technology. So my point is, technology is crucial in this day and age, especially when it comes to making an income, because when things like COVID take place, technology is there to help out, which I will be providing you guys with 8 ways to make money online in 2021. It's just as important to make money online nowadays because you never know what this world might come to. But before we get into this, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are brand new around here for more videos like these. And with all that out of the way, here are 8 ways to make money online in 2021. Number 1. Sell products online. You might have a good portion of products that you are considering of selling right now, but the problem is you don't know how to. And believe me, it isn't the easiest process to sell products online because we often struggle to find places to source them. But there's a solution to that because there are plenty of marketplaces out there where you can sell your products, such as Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and the list goes on. These big companies will allow you to gain impressions around your country, so the chances of you getting your stuff sold are higher. Also, there are places such as Shopify and Wix where you can basically own your own store and put items on that website up for grabs. Usually the products you are selling online don't specifically need to be produced by you. There's a way where you can set up your shop with virtual products and items and have it shipped directly to consumer off of dropshipping. You will hold no inventory and everything like customer concerns, shipping, returns will all be managed by the manufacturer. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's either I'm way too boring, how am I going to run a YouTube channel? Or it's way too much work editing and filming, but think about it this way. Literally any human can make money on YouTube. It costs very little production and money to construct a proper YouTube channel. You just need one viral video for your channel to take off and explode. The highest paid YouTuber right now, Ryan's World, made approximately $30 million in 2020 off reviewing toys on his channel. He's only 9 years old making this type of money, so what's stopping you from doing the same? The key to making loads of money off of this platform is to have content that people would want to see. In other words, content that either entertains or educates. If you believe that you are a stand-up person who can entertain on the spot, then a vlogging or personality channel is for you. If you're the type that excels at teaching and explaining certain topics, then how-to or tutorial videos are ones you should really make. So honestly, get on the YouTube game and start making money because you never know how far you can go with this platform. 3. Become an influencer. Believe it or not, building a personal brand on social media can allow you to make money online. All these famous athletes, singers, musicians can make thousands, close to millions just posting on Instagram. But first, you have to build a strong and consistent following for your page. The biggest platforms right now to do that are YouTube and Instagram. You can usually research tips and tricks to do that on YouTube, but to be honest, the real way to build a massive following is to be consistent and post regularly. But anyways, once you have that big following, you can now charge sponsorships to promote their product on your page. You can also apply to be a brand ambassador for a company, or maybe even put affiliate links in your bio, so when people are on your page and click on them, you can potentially make quite a bit of money. Did you know Cristiano Ronaldo makes nearly $1 million off each Instagram post? This makes him the highest paid Instagram influencer in the world, and his second highest stream of income, which clocks in at $23.3 million off Instagram related posts. And yes, obviously he's making this much due to the fact that he's Cristiano Ronaldo, but the point is, you can make thousands off just posting brand deals and sponsorships on your page. Number 4. Blogging. This is a very old school and vintage way of making money online. Yes, it wasn't as effective as it was back then, but it's still somewhat relevant today. You can still make a decent side income with this method as long as your blogs are good enough to gain a loyal following. Ways people make money off of blogs are usually by affiliate links, AdSense, and sponsored posts. Usually you can blog about anything, for example, sports, food, traveling, and even your daily routines. But I recommend you choose topics that aren't too broad and usually narrow. Topics like showering, soccer, hot dogs, Bahamas, all these topics go under a certain category, but are narrowed down so people are more engaged, therefore gaining you a consistent following. When you start your blog, I recommend using specific keywords of your topic so your viewers can have something tight to focus on. Once you start building momentum and attraction towards your blogs, you can now expand your niches into broader topics because this will build your blog profile into something bigger over time. Also, make sure your website is looking attractive for the viewer's eyes because first impressions matter. Number 5. Online tutoring. Being an online tutor can help you make thousands of dollars every month, giving you a decent income on the side. Subjects that usually have a high demand in tutoring positions are math, science, and English. So if you specialize in one of these subjects, you are bound to have a spot in tutoring, resulting in a great money grab for you. But landing in a spot for tutoring can oftentimes be a master struggle for people. That being said, if you have a high degree, a high average, or any proof that you are qualified to tutor the subject, you should showcase it on your application as you will most likely have a higher chance of getting accepted in the position. However, if you have a teaching degree, your chances are even higher than anyone else. But I can assume that most of you guys don't have a teaching degree, so just focus on the other stuff I listed earlier. Number 6. Invest in stocks. Now this is a topic that almost everyone knows and is trying to get into, stocks. And yes, to be honest, this is a great way of making thousands and even millions of dollars. But then again, if you are inexperienced in the stock market and you just keep investing in random stocks, you could lose a lot of your money. So I suggest you ask for assistance so you can get an idea on where to start and how to move forward with it. But trust me, once you get a hang of this, you can be making millions of dollars. There's usually no starter price for investing into stocks, but I suggest you start with $200 to $1,000 if you really want to start properly. But again, be cautious of what you're investing in because you can lose everything in a matter of days. Number 7. Selling clothes online. Everyone these days has clothes that are just lying around their house, not worn and ready to be tossed in the trash. But have you ever thought about selling them? Because if you're not going to wear them and if it's just taking up space in your closet, why not make a couple of dollars off of it? It doesn't even have to be clothing related items that can be sold. Anything ranging from jewelry, shoes, handbags can be sold online websites. Websites such as Poshmark, Depop, eBay, and many more. You can be smart and charge the consumer with a little more extra dollars for what you initially paid for. That way you will not only get the money back from what you originally paid, but also get a decent profit off these clothes. So basically it's a win-win situation for you, and at the end of the day you are taking home the money you deserve. Number 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a money-making method where the seller doesn't quite have an inventory. It's where when you have a customer, he or she can purchase your product off a third-party website and it gets shipped directly to them. You can make a decent amount of money off of this method, and if you are really experienced, you can make close to 6 figures a year. This method can be a great business structure for aspiring entrepreneurs because it is sustainable. Dropshipping allows you to test different business ideas, which helps you learn a lot about choosing market in demand products. You don't have to worry about packaging, tracking inventory, paying for warehouse, all of that. Again, they're all taken care of by third-party websites, so you have that under control. Secondly, there's usually a wide selection of items to sell. What I mean by this is, since you don't have to pre-purchase any items you're going to sell, you can offer up items that are trending, doing well in the market right now. So if you can stock a specific item, you can put it up for sale with no additional cost required. And lastly, dropshipping is usually online, so therefore everything is manageable if you have a strong internet connection. You just need your laptop and internet to do this business and you should be fine. Well, that about wraps up this video for you guys today. I really hope you learned a thing or two in this video, and hopefully you can apply some of these tips to your everyday lives. Like I said before, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed, and comment down below some videos on topics you may want to see, as this channel is all about helping and growing you as a person. And last thing, subscribe if you are new around here and turn on post notifications for an instant notification for every time I upload. With that being said, take care and I'll catch you guys in the next one.